Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the right device, iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. First, open Settings, go to Camera, then Formats, and toggle Apple ProRes on so the camera app exposes it. Make sure you choose the highest resolution you need, and remember ProRes uses a lot of space. That's why I recommend 256 GB or more. While in Settings, confirm there's at least 20% battery and plug into power if you'll film long takes. Stabilize the phone with a tripod to avoid motion blur. Once ProRes is enabled, open the camera app and switch to video. Tap the format indicator to select ProRes, confirm the resolution and frame rate that match your deliverable, for example 4K 24 for cinematic or 4K 30 for smooth motion. Next, tap to lock focus and exposure so settings don't jump during the shot. You can slide exposure up or down to protect highlights. If you plan to grade, shoot using flatter profiles, or expose for highlights to retain latitude when color correcting in post. Hit record and keep movements controlled. Use an external microphone if clean audio is required, and monitor levels on screen or with headphones. When you stop, review the take immediately. Look for dropped frames, focus shifts, or clipped highlights. If everything looks good, transfer files promptly. Use USB-C to a Mac or a fast SSD, or AirDrop for shorter clips and backup before deleting. Troubleshooting tip. If ProRes is unavailable or stops, check free storage and battery, reboot the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.